for the Fast Tracks and Food Trucks Festival at Six Flags Great Adventure this weekend. Always a good time if you can make it out there. There's tons of incredible food, and then you get to go on the rides afterwards. But Waffle De Lys is awesome. They do both sweet and savory waffles, and they're amazing. I just ordered one up with speculoos cookie butter and some caramelized hazelnut crumbs, which I'm super excited about. Look how delicious this looks. But they have toppings of all kinds. The sweet waffle, the toppings on top of it. But what I love is the little tool that you have back there to cut up the bananas and the strawberries. Makes things much easier than I've ever seen. So be sure to check out the Waffles De Lys food truck. They have so many combinations that you can put together, and I'm telling you, they are absolutely delicious. They will be at the Fast Tracks and Food Trucks Festival this weekend. You cannot miss it. I'm telling you, it's awesome. Go check it out.